Hello boys, welcome back to another video. Sorry if I haven't been uploading these long videos for a while, but yeah. Let's go to the first chapter then, of that demo. Okay, we wake up in this place. This is like the pool rooms. Oh, nice, we no clip to that, through that hole. Oh, I can move now. Okay. I normally say I always go right, so let's see what's on. Oh, there's a chair. Can we sit? Let's try. Okay, we can. Let's chill here. Okay, let's just go. Maybe let's go this way. This is like the famous pools place. What's this? Slippery floor. Look, it has like this realistic water physics. Slippery floors. Okay, let's get this water. Okay. Wait, what? Is this like a map? Maybe it's the QR code. I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. But what's this place? Oh, we can hide here if some entity comes. Okay, let's just go. There's a vent. A dark place and a little bit nicer place. Let's go right, but I will check this out. Yeah, I feel like let's go over there. This is so creepy. Wait, guys, do you hear that? It's like machinery or something. Oh, what the? I got jump scared by that. Oh, there's a slide. It's a like orange or yellow slide. Nice. Oh, there's another chair. Let's sit. Oh, you can hear my cameraman like breathing or something. I don't know. Did you hear that? But okay, some liminal windows. Oh wait, this is the iconic pools, like the thumbnail or something. I will make my video thumbnail over here. Okay, let's go. I feel like let's go right, I always say that. That ladder just disappeared into this hole. Something pulled that. You saw that, right? Oh no. Okay, let's just go. I don't want to walk in water. Walking in water is like slow. Yeah, let's go over here. Wow, this place is nice. There's a fallen chair. Let's sit. Okay, which way should we go? A little bit darker. This way. Let's go this way. This is left, but I mean, why not? Oh, this place is big. What are these holes? Okay. Oh no. What if we jump? Maybe it triggers like some achievement or an ending. Let's try. This place like triggers my fear of heights. I'm so scared right now. Okay, let's just jump. Whee! Okay, nothing really happened. I guess let's go over here. Wait, what's this? Is this like slides maybe? Oh yeah, there are slides. Okay, nice. Big blue slide. I want to go. We haven't been on the slide in this game. We have seen slides, but I don't know. Can we even get on slides in this game? I don't know. Okay. A chair and a clock. And what time is it? Let's relax here for a bit and then I'll see what time is it. It's about... Okay. 10 minutes more, then it's about 12 AM or 12 PM, I don't know. What the Nope. Nah, bro. What the Oh, hell nah, bro. Nope, I'm gone. Hell nah. Oh, what the? Oh, it's a duck. I remember when we played this, like, I think it was Dreamcore demo, there was like similar enemy. The enemies was like a smiley ball. His name was Friend, I think. This is maybe friend or brother, I don't know. Okay, a dark tunnel. I'm kinda scared, but let's just go. Oh, we can crouch in the water. Wait, what? Oh, okay. Wait, there is water on my screen. You can see that, right? Okay, that's beautiful. Okay. Wait, can we get on that slide? Okay, we can walk down or take a slide. And I ain't a dumbass, so let's just go down this slide. It's a lot more fun. Woo! Oh, okay. That was fun. It's kind of lagging in the water. I mean, not that bad. 69 FPS is really good. I mean, maybe not really good, but it's good. What's that? Is that another clock or is it a vent? Okay, it's a vent. Yeah. I remember when there was like a big hole and then a ladder and some entity, I think, pulled that ladder. Okay, low FPS again. What the f... Guys, did you hear that? That was like splash coming from over there. Oh. It's a duck, but... I got so jump scared. I thought it was like some black figure peeking. It's that guy again. I wonder... I have a question. Maybe it's the same that just teleported here, or maybe it's a different one. If I ever make like play it again, then I'll maybe go back. I don't want to walk all the way back. Okay, Paul, back. Wait. Oh, there's an exit. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. There's an exit. Oh. Ladder. Wait, what? You're pointing. Wait, you're pointing to this direction. Wait, what? Where did you go? Maybe it's the same entity that built the ladder, but he was pointing. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Okay, thank you, entity. Maybe it was a friendly entity, I don't know. These lights are nice. Okay, big, long, not that long, but futuristic hallway. Wait, what? Oh, it's the water drops, I think. What? Yeah, that's realistic. If I walk through water, then like water, like drops off my cameraman. Wait, what? Is that a diving board? You can climb up there with that ladder and jump into that endless hole that leads to the void. Oh. Whee. Oh no. Wait, can we climb? Okay, we can't. But there's some chairs we can sit on. Oh. Okay, let's just go. Okay, is there something else around here? No, probably not. Okay, let's just go out there. I always been wondering, what's this white thing around the pool rooms? Is this like some really bright sky? Or is it some light? That's a weird question I always had. Oh no, dark place. Yeah, that's sad. Oh no! No! Oh no! Maybe we have to go there. There is some. Wait, do we have to jump? Okay, maybe it's the ending, let's see. Okay, bye bye liminal space. Whee! Oh, wow. Thank you for playing the demo version of Pools. Oh, that was nice. Okay, but I hope you enjoyed the video of this. Okay, but yeah. Bye.